Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. Now in the today's class, in the relations and functions chapter, I will explain the functions. See, this is the first set A and second set B. In the first set, see what you are observing, each element is connected with the single element of second set. And here 4 is not connected with any set. That means this is a function but this is not the functions here. A relation F from a set A to set B. Set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Correct? Here 4 has no image. In other words, a function F is a relation from a non-empty set A. This is a non-empty set. That means at least it contains one element. Non-empty set A to a non-empty set B, such that domain of F is A. That means we are using all the elements of set A. No two distinct ordered pairs in F have same first element. That means here it is not connected like this. From this it is not connected with two elements. Understood? So the main thing we have to remember this. Every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. That means it is connected with only one element in second set. Next, if F is a function, from A to B and ordered pair A comma B belongs to F, then F of A is, this small a is from first set and B is from second set, where B is called the image. That means the elements from the second set. Image of A under F, and A is called the pre-image. Pre-image of B under F. The function F from A to B is denoted by F from A to B. Understood? Now I will explain with the help of example. Here I am giving you here examples. This is the first example. This is set A, this is set B. F is a function from set A to set B. When you observe this figure, 1 is related with 2, 2 is with 3, 3 is with 4, 4 is with 5, 5 is with 6. Here the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And R is a relation from A to B. Yes, of course. And how you are defining? R is x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. That means every element is 1 unit more than the first element. But it is not a function. Why? Because the element 6 in the first set has no image. Understood? Moving to the next example. Example 2. Here 4 is connected with plus 2 minus 2. 9 is plus 3 minus 3. 25 is 5 and minus 5. That means they are connected with more than 1. That's why it is not a function. One element has a 2 images. That's why it is not a function. Here 1 is related with 3 and 4. That means it is again connected with 2 terms. Our definition tells you it will be connected with only one element, then only we can call it as a function. Here 1 is connected with 2 elements, therefore it is not a function. Here let n be the set of natural numbers and our relation R is defined on n. That means whatever the elements we are using, there must be a set of natural number. The first set is also set of natural number, second set is also set of natural number. And how they are defined? See, y is equal to 2x. That means if x is 1, remember you have to select the natural numbers. Then y is 2. If x is 2, then y is 4. In this you have to substitute. If x is 3, y is equal to 6. It goes on continuing. If you draw the figure gives you clear picture. The first set is also set of natural numbers, second is also set of natural numbers. So the function is defined like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on continuing. There is, because the set of natural number is an infinite set. If you take x as a 1, x is always from second set, y is from first, x is from first set, y is from second set. If x is 1, y is 2, x is 2, y is 4, x is 3, y is 6, x is 4, y is 8. It goes on continuing. And what you are observing, every element in first set is connected with only one element. That means the first, correct or not? Then is it a function or not? Yes, it is a function. And after function, write the domain. The first set is called the domain. Codomain is what? The second set called the codomain. Range means whatever the elements they are connected, they are used in second set, they are range. And the question is the relation is a function? Yes, the relation is a function. Write down. The domain of R is the set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers n. The codomain is also n because the first set is the natural number, second set is also natural number. Now tell me what is the range? The numbers which are used in second set. Which numbers are used in second set? Only even numbers are used in second set. That means what is the codomain? Codomain means our answer will be the set of even a natural number. Sorry, range. Codomain means complete second set. Next, the codomain is set of natural number. The range, sorry. The range is the set of even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. And since every element of first set is connected in only one element, or you can write like this, since every element in first set has one and only one image. That means it is connected with only one element in second set. Therefore, this relation is function. See what all the answers are what? Again, once again I am explaining. In the relation, the first set, complete first set is called a domain. The complete second set is called a codomain. And the elements, those we are using, those which are used in the second set, only that elements are called range. Understood? Now moving to the next example. See the next question. Examine each of the following relations given below and state in each case giving reasons whether it is a function or not. If you see only this, with help of this you cannot judge. If you draw the figure, that means all the first in the ordered pair, all the first elements comes in the first set, second elements comes in the second set. If they are repeated, don't write it twice. 2, 3, 4 in the first set. 1 is repeated, it is 1, 2. 2 is related with 1 and 3 is related with 1. 4 is related with 2. Now is it a function or what? See here. 2 has only one image, 3 is also one image, 4 is also one image. They have a unique one image. Therefore, this relation is a function. Since 2, 3, 4 are the elements of domain R having their unique, that means single, their unique images. Therefore, this relation is a function. Understood? Moving to the next example. Here also I will draw the figure. Or in the ordered pair, 2 repeated. I am writing once, then 3, then 4. Second, 2, 3, 4. We have the same. 2 is related with 2. 2 is related with 4. By seeing this only one element also, you can say that it is not a function because 2 is connected with 2 elements. Then 3 is with 3, 4 is with 4. This is not the function because 2 has 2 image, 2 and 4. This is not the function because 2 in domain has 2 images. Images 2 and 4. Now moving to the third one. Again draw the figure or the first element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second is start with 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is related with 2. 2 is with 3. See, all the elements, first element is connected with 1 and only one element in the second element. Since every element has one and only one image. Therefore, this relation is a function. Understood? So like this, we now at least it is clear or what is the function. Is it clear or what? Moving to the next concept. Here the next definition, a function which has either R, capital R, that is set of real numbers, or one of its subsets as its range. Range means it is the elements which are connected in second set is called the real valued function. That means one of its subset as it's the second set. The elements which are connected are the range. They are either it may be a set of real numbers or it is a subset. And next, if the domain is R or a subset of R, then it is called a real function. This is real value. If it is a range, real valued. If it is the domain, real function. Now moving to next example. Let n be the set of natural numbers and they are defined like this. First set is also n, second set is also n. It is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. And they are given one table. They are telling using this complete the table. See, f of x is nothing but y. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. See, if x is 1, in place of x if you write 1, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. We have to complete. Next 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2, 4, 2 to the 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 3. 2, 3 the 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 4. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 to the 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So this is how we are connecting. Now I am continuing with the different types of functions. They are very important for your theory exams as well as for your second year. In the theory exam, they can ask one question for 5 marks. Now be ready with paper and pen. Along with me only, go on, write that.